Hey guys, welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to analyze long financial reports with Claude Sonnet. So open up your Claude and of course upload your target financial PDF reports. And to prevent the model from skimming or splitting back generic corporate summaries, you must anchor its reasoning capabilities using precise XML containers. So you can use this execution prompt and input it in the bar and send it. So by boxing your parameters inside these explicit HTML style tokens, Sonnet bypasses standard conversational filler and immediately delivers a razor-sharp breakdown of your target metrics. And now we can execute the most crucial step of a professional audit, auditing the footnotes. This is where companies legally disclose adjustments to revenue recognition or off-balance sheet risks. So do not start a brand new chat window, stay right inside the active thread, and launch a localized query command. This one here, follow up with this one. And Sonnet will instantly pinpoint the exact node references, flagging exactly where accounting policy changes might be artificially boosting paper earnings over raw cash generation. Hit that subscribe button right now to keep your software optimized, and thank you for watching.